Welcome back. In this video, we are going to tackle a classic and challenging coding problem, removing invalid parentheses. This problem often appears in technical interviews and is an excellent way to understand breadth first search, or BFS. So, here is the setup. We are given a string that contains parentheses and possibly some letters. The issue is that the parentheses might be unbalanced. For example, in the input shown here, we have an extra closing parenthesis. Our job is to remove the minimum number of parentheses necessary to make the string valid. Before we solve it, let's define what valid means. Simply put, every opening parenthesis must have a matching closing parenthesis. Crucially, you can never have a closing parenthesis without a preceding opening one. The examples in green are valid, while the ones in red are not. Our goal is not just to find any valid string, but to find one that requires the fewest removals. In this example, by removing just one character, we can form two different valid strings. We need to return all of these unique valid variations. Why do we use breadth first search for this? Because BFS is perfect for finding the shortest path. Here, each step is removing one character. By exploring level by level, we guarantee that the first time we find a valid string, it is one formed by the minimum number of removals. Think of the problem as a tree. The root is our original string. The first level contains all strings formed by removing exactly one character. If we don't find a solution there, we move to the next level, removing two characters, and so on. We stop as soon as we find a valid level. A critical detail is efficiency. Notice that removing the third character or the fourth character might result in the exact same string. To avoid wasting time checking the same string multiple times, we must use a visited set to keep track of what we have already processed. Here is the plan. We initialize a queue with our starting string. Then, we process the queue level by level. At each level, we check if the strings are valid. If we find valid strings, we record them and stop generating further levels. If not, we generate the next level of variations and keep going. To check validity, we use a simple counter. We iterate through the string, adding one for an open parenthesis and subtracting one for a closed one. If the counter ever drops below 0, it is invalid. At the end, the counter must be exactly 0. Let's talk about performance. In the worst case, the time and space complexity are exponential, specifically O of 2 to the power of n. This is because every character has two choices, keep or remove. However, for typical interview constraints, this approach is the standard solution. To wrap up, we use breadth first search to ensure minimum removals. We use a set to handle duplicates efficiently, and we use a simple counter to validate the strings. Mastering this pattern helps with many other shortest path string problems.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.